The evolution of duck housing has led to innovative mobile coops that combine efficiency, sustainability, and animal welfare. These modern designs revolutionize traditional duck keeping through smart features and adaptable solutions. Thanks to its wheels and robust tow handles, the coop can be easily relocated to give ducks access to fresh grazing areas. This mobility supports natural foraging behavior while promoting soil health through even distribution of duck manure. As ducks move to new areas, previously grazed spots recover and regenerate. This duck house combines durability with mobility, strong enough to withstand weather, yet light enough for easy relocation. The versatile flooring system adapts to seasons. In summer, the plastic floor rests directly on the ground, while in winter, an added drawer provides cold protection and collects waste. The coop's mobility allows smart seasonal positioning, under trees for summer shade or in sunny spots for winter warmth. This thoughtful design ensures your ducks stay comfortable year-round while making maintenance simple and efficient. The living space flexibly converts between adult nesting areas or a secure night shelter for ducklings, adapting to your duck's life stages. If in the night, ducks rest safely in their insulated nesting area, during daylight hours, ducklings can explore and graze on fresh grass under the coop's secure protection from predators. The mobile design ensures these little fluffy friends always have access to clean grass and fresh foraging areas. Simply roll the coop to a new spot instead of spending time cleaning their space. This natural rotation keeps both the environment and the ducklings healthy. Ventilation adjusts throughout the year, with wire mesh doors maximizing summer airflow and transparent panels blocking winter drafts. Building a modern duck house offers a wonderful opportunity for family bonding and creative learning. While adults handle the planning and woodcutting safely, children can become junior builders during assembly time. Let their creativity shine by involving them in design choices, from picking color schemes to deciding on decorative touches. Kids can help select paint colors that complement your garden's natural surroundings, learning about color harmony while making the coop their own special project. This hands-on experience not only teaches them about animal care and basic construction, but also gives them pride in creating something practical and beautiful. It's more than just building a home for ducks. It's crafting lasting family memories and valuable learning experiences. Beyond its practical benefits, this modern coop design adds a charming touch to any tourism venture. Picture visitors delighting in the sight of ducks gracefully gliding across a natural pond, or children's faces lighting up as they watch ducklings waddle through the garden. A small flock of 10 ducks transforms your property into a living postcard, creating those perfect photo moments tourists love to share. The stylish, well-designed coop itself becomes a conversation piece, showing visitors your commitment to both animal welfare and aesthetic appeal. Whether you run a bed and breakfast, farm stay, or rural retreat, these feathered ambassadors and their beautiful home help create the authentic countryside experience modern travelers seek. This modern approach offers multiple advantages: improved duck health through better ventilation and cleaner environment, enhanced soil fertility through rotational grazing, reduced maintenance time for keepers, lower feed costs through natural foraging. Modern duck coops demonstrate how thoughtful design can benefit both animals and keepers while supporting environmental sustainability. These mobile, adaptable structures represent the future of duck housing, proving that efficiency and animal welfare can work hand in hand. Ready for more creative homestead solutions? Subscribe and join our growing community.